Hey there, I'm Rick. Uh, I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but I'm getting back into the swing of things and starting to doing some more uploads, and I want to get out some of my ideas that I've come up with in the past few months or years. So I've been playing around a lot with circuit boards and using breadboards and ESP32s, and if you're like me, your ESP32s don't really leave much for the breadboard to really use on those pins. So like that one, and then this one, come up with, trying to use two smaller boards and one little power rail in the center. And even then you're still covering up some pins. Uh, Still didn't quite like this idea. Wanted better. So what I'd come up with, and I've seen other people do similarly, is a design like this. Is printing out, 3D printing a spacer. Uh, this one allows you to take two boards and take out the power rails. This is an ESP32 S3, and as you can see, it only covers up one row of pins. This one over here is an ESP32, and that one a little bit smaller, and it fits perfectly in there. So I have up on Thingiverse this design, printed out 3 spacers. They do click into the into the tabs there, and then it sandwiches inside this box. Also, mine has, like it's automatically has sticky tape on it, so you can sticky tape it down. And this guy is not coming out anymore. And it looks really nice. So if you like this idea, give me a little thumbs up and do the old like, comment, subscribe if you would. I will put the Thingiverse information down below. And thanks for watching. Bye.